Imagine letting a robot plan your entire vacation. No hotel searches, no flight comparisons, no endless Google rabbit holes. That's exactly what I did. I handed over my trip, my taste buds, and my sense of direction to artificial intelligence. Here's what happened when I let AI take over my adventure and landed in Lisbon, Portugal. Let's be real, I didn't even pick the country. The AI did. Lisbon? Why? Safe, gorgeous, walkable, budget-friendly, great Wi-Fi. I just booked the flight it found and trusted the process. Accommodation? I simply asked, where should I stay? The AI pointed me to a guest house in Alfama. Quiet, old-world charm, 5-star reviews, and close enough to roll out of bed and into a postcard. Booked, done. My first morning I asked, what's for breakfast? AI recommended pastel de nata and a bica. No clue what that was. But I followed directions to a tiny bakery, took a bite, and wow! Lisbon, you have my heart. Score 1 for the bots. Activities? AI said, hike up to Miraduro da Senhora do Monte. So I did. Winding alleys, blue tiles, and finally that view. Orange rooftops, the river, the whole city sparkling under the morning sun. For a minute, I just stood there soaking it in. No itinerary stress, no second guessing. Lunch? AI sent me to a local tasca for grilled sardines. Not on TripAdvisor, not packed with tourists, just simple, perfect food. And yes, more trust in the machine. The afternoon took me to LX Factory. Think art, coffee, and graffiti in an old industrial maze. By sunset, AI said, walk by the river, Lisbon glowing, breeze on my face, city lights flickering. Bliss. Sure, the AI messed up once. A closed museum, a cafe under renovation. But it never left me stranded. It always had a plan B, and honestly, those detours were highlights. I didn't miss the planning. I just lived. Could you travel with AI? Absolutely. But the real adventure starts when you let go. Trust the tech. Trust yourself. Because the best moments are the ones you never saw coming.